Installing a pressure gauge on a car air conditioning system. Installing a pressure gauge on a car's AC system allows you to check refrigerant levels and diagnose potential issues. Follow these steps carefully to ensure accurate readings and safe handling of the system. AC manifold gauge set. Safety glasses and gloves. Refrigerant if needed for recharging. Vehicle service manual for specific pressure ranges. 1. Ensure safety first. Turn off the engine. Make sure the car is off and the keys are removed. Wear protective gear. Safety glasses and gloves are essential to protect against refrigerant leaks. 2. Locate the AC service ports. High pressure port, usually found near the condenser or along the high pressure line, smaller diameter. Low pressure port, typically located on the larger line between the compressor and evaporator. The low pressure port is the most commonly used for diagnostics and recharging. 3. Connect the gauges. Low pressure gauge. Attach the blue hose from the manifold gauge set to the low pressure port. High pressure gauge. Attach the red hose to the high pressure port. Center hose. The yellow hose in the center is used for adding refrigerant or vacuuming the system. Keep it closed unless needed. 4. Start the engine and turn on the AC. Start the car and set the AC to maximum cooling with the fan on high. Allow the system to run for a few minutes to stabilize. 5. Read the pressure gauges.